Okay, that's the center of the living room right there. And notice I've got the dimension or the tape across it. You can see it. And that's kind of how that would face. We can't really, so we're not really parallel to the road. And we can't go that way because it then throws the end off over there onto that area. Now we're looking at bringing this more back, or bringing the garage, that's the garage there. We're looking at bringing it more to the right and bringing it back closer to me, which we didn't, you can see right here part of the arch of the dining kitchen area. So all of that could come back more so that it sits on the pad over here. Because if you look carefully, it's hard to tell. I'll zoom in. I got my tape all the way running down there. That's the tape. And that's the 103-foot mark down there. And you can't see it very well. But that's kind of where it, right in that area is the 103-foot mark, which is the center of the greenhouse. So we really need to pull back some more because we have some dirt issues, like we don't have any over here where it's kind of hanging off. That stake right there would be the other center of the master bedroom, I think. No, that's the other, that's the center of the house, so that's going to be the center of the living room, the other part of the living room. And you can kind of see that in that area out there. So rock is an issue here, as you know. We have rock, but what we don't have is solid rock. We have fractured rock, and some of that rock you can even peel off with a hammer. It's, you know, so brittle but yet hard. So tying down to anchoring in rebar like you would if you were out on the canyon is not going to be possible here. You've got, it's too fractured. It's going to be loose and not a solid surface to adhere to. Okay, so this right here, I'm standing in the center of the garage, back down on level, and that would be the hallway. And right here, you've got your kitchen. That looks about where the corner of the kitchen would be. Probably extended a little bit further, but we're still a good 20 feet away from the hillside. That's why we're thinking of going and pulling this whole thing back further in this way, and then over into, back into this way. Because your front of your master, which is where that stake is, that's probably the closet. Let's see, that stake's about where the entry into the walk-in closet is. Let's see, now it's going to cock off, it's going to tilt off, and it's hanging over the edge of this area here. And so it would hang less, way less. You can see where they put the orange paint right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. Is the, right there would be the front of the bedroom. So we're definitely going to need to pull that back more to the north.